Here are some tips for a well-rested start to your day with the WL75 wake-up light from Beurer. To make full and convenient use of the wake-up light, download the Beurer Light Up app. Add the wake-up light in the app. The wake-up light is supplied to the customer with Bluetooth activated. If you deactivate Bluetooth, the wake-up light can no longer be connected to the Beurer Light Up app. The time and date are already set by the Beurer Light Up app. You can choose between 4 display brightness levels, either by using the Set button or in the app. When the app is closed, the basic functions can also be set using the buttons on the device. You can set the alarm time and tone using the buttons on the wake-up light. We recommend selecting the settings on the Beurer Light Up app, as it allows you to also set the alarm days, snooze time and a simulated sunrise. For snooze mode, touch the on-off button. To switch off the alarm, press the on-off button. To deactivate the alarm permanently, press the alarm button until off appears on the display. The wake-up light can also be used as a radio. Settings can be adjusted either by using the buttons on the device or in the Beurer Light Up app. The wake-up light sunset function simulates a sunset. The light gradually dims after the set period of time. Relaxing sounds can also be assigned. Wake-up light also has a light function. This can be switched on at the device as well as in the Light Up app. You can also assign a simulated sunrise to the light via the app. The mood light function on the app allows you to choose between the color changes, the color of the light, or 9 preset sequences. External audio sources such as MP3 players, smartphones, can be connected to the wake-up light via the aux input. To clean, use a dry cloth. Observe the instructions for use and safety notes. We hope you enjoy using your WL75 wake-up light from Beurer. Stay healthy!